Isabel. She don't even listen horror stories. She always close her ears. She don't even never watch horror movies. So guys, never do that. Please think before you do something and say something, and especially to the girls. And Isabel, she cannot see this kind of stuff, and especially she's alone. Guys, don't be mean. That's so bad. Me, I'm a guy. I understand, but like there is some most people who was there is those people who was joking to me as well like this. But for me, it's okay. Like I watch horror. I'm not that easy to get scared. Pero guys, I know Isabel very well. She will get she very scared this kind of stuff. And never, guys, scared her, please. No. Just guys, the Las Vegas supporters and Isabel supporters, just report the people who trying to comment bad like this. So no need to scare Isabel. Junalin, thank you for virtual gift. Thank you so much. Seamless Bell, thank you. No, guys, no more pranks like that, please. I will protect my housemates. Hi po. Yes, protect them all, Soldier Laziz. Agent, thank you. Junaline, thank you so much for virtual gifts. Agent Fit, thank you so much. Soldier Laziz, always ready to protect the housemates. Sania, thank you so much for hello, hello. Oh, wow, ang dami hello, hello. Sania, thank you so much. Yeah, guys. Is it? Oh my God, Shania, thank you so much. Team Las Bell, thank you so much for hello, hello. Ang daming hello, hello. Grabe, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Lahat. Ang galing nyo. Thank you. Thank you, Las Bell Sparkles. Thank you, Fort Worth 1922. Thank you so much for hello, hello, guys. Actually, I've been watching also the live streams, cuts in YouTube. That's so fun! Oh my god! Pero guys, tasks. I wanna say that I forgot. Pero when it comes to the tasks, don't guys think that it's that easy and oh we are doing something wrong. Cause imagine you go in there, it will pop up in front of you just that quick. We give limited time. Yes, guys, I will take care of all of you and all people who's on my side. So imagine. Respect, guys. Thank you so much for your respect. And the task, guys, it's not always that easy how you see. The time it's pop up in front of you, it's very different in that situation. And it's hard and have Kuya gives always limited time. Basti is here. Saan si Basti? Bastita! Basti, join na. Tara, you gonna sing for me again the ano, akalay mo pala. Basti, saan ka? Akalay mo pala. Nandito tayo, una makikita. Saan si Basti? Akalay mo pala. Nandito sa Kumu. Team Las Bell, thank you. Akala mo pala, saan si Basti? Kanta tayo together. Wala si Basti, guys. He left. Salamat sa itlog. Sorry, Basti. I know you hate when we switch the words of your songs. It's salamat sa inyo, pero when we say salamat sa itlog, he gets mad. Basti gets mad. So don't guys joke his Basti. Oh, I don't know. Oh my god. Akala mo pala, nandito tayo, una makikita. Akala mo pala, salamat sa inyo. Do you know song crashing? Guys, send me that song. I will search, I will listen that song. Many people commented, crashing, crashing song. I will check. I will listen that on YouTube channel. Search on YouTube, crashing, yes. Heat waves. Sometimes all I think about you. Midnight, all I made a lot of juice. Sometimes all I think about you. Midnight, all I made a lot of juice. My birthday is still matagal, guys. My birthday, imagine, my birthday is November 29. It's like I have to wait 1 year. November 29, guys. Kyle Giuliano. Okay, guys. We'll check that song. I like Mundo, guys. You know that the group that I think no more now? Who sings? What group sings Mundo? I forgot. Element. Who sings Mundo, guys? I forgot the group. You and my mom have December Z. Oh, that's lovely to know. Ah, December Avenue. Ah, four of space. Yeah. Ah, four of spades. Four of spade. Yeah, that one. That song I like. It's very talented. And I like Buan also. I listened that before a lot. Thank you. They are good. They are good. They are good. Paro paro G. Papa paro paro G. Sing Mundo? How to sing Mundo? It's just like Aquí si pa. It's just always na 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 na. It's oh my god. Mundo no 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 no. Oh, Melissa Fiulina, my sister, thank you for your virtual gift. I love you so much. I will drop my virtual gifts in Western Union. Do you